Click on the link below to get price. The ACTBEST Core Electric Bike for adults stands out as a remarkable blend of power, efficiency, and user-friendly design, catering to both commuting needs and leisure riding. One of its most impressive features is the peak 1200W Brushless motor, which delivers a smooth and powerful ride. It accelerates swiftly, making it perfect for navigating urban landscapes or tackling hilly terrains with ease. Riders can choose between 3 modes: electric, assisted, and pedal-only, providing versatility depending on their energy levels or riding conditions. The bike's robust construction is another standout feature. The aluminum alloy frame is not only lightweight but also durable, ensuring longevity without compromising on performance. With a top speed of around 28 miles per hour in electric mode, the ACTBEST Core offers an exhilarating experience, especially for thrill seekers. The 48V lithium-ion battery provides ample range, allowing riders to travel up to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on the selected mode and terrain, which is ideal for daily commutes or weekend adventures. Comfort has not been overlooked in its design. The adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars cater to various body types, making long rides enjoyable rather than exhausting. The front suspension fork absorbs shocks, which is especially beneficial for navigating bumpy paths or city streets. Additionally, the bike features front and rear disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power in diverse weather conditions, enhancing overall safety. Moreover, the assembly process is straightforward, with most components pre-assembled, allowing for a quick setup right out of the box. The sleek, modern design is not only visually appealing but also functional, with integrated lights and a rear reflector adding to safety during nighttime rides. In summary, the ACTBEST Core Electric Bike combines performance, comfort, and style, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their cycling experience, whether for commuting or recreational purposes. Its powerful motor, durability, and user-centric design make it a worthy investment for seasoned cyclists and beginners alike.